Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log your Netflix account out of all devices. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.netflix.com and hit enter. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, sign into your account. Now once you sign into your account, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see this drop down menu. On that menu, click on the account option. After you click on the account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, on the settings section, you'll see the option to sign out of all devices. For you to sign your Netflix account out of all devices, you'll just have to simply click on this button. Once you click on this button, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to sign out all the devices from your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you to sign out all the devices from your Netflix account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.